Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Wild Hearts error code 20001. The error appears just before reaching the main menu. When this happens, online play gets completely disabled. As per our research, the error is related to a network or connection issue with the EA launcher or your EA account status. First, completely exit the EA launcher. Then make sure the taskbar tray icon and the background process are both closed. Then start the game again through Steam and check if the error is resolved. If the error still comes, then check your EA account status. If your status is set to invisible, change it to online and see if that helps. If the error still appears, check if there are any updates pending for the game or the EA launcher. If so, install the updates and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.